We just finished supper and I'm already thinking about tomorrow night's supper. We're gonna make creamy, slow cooked overnight grits in your crock pot. Super simple. This is how we do it at all of our Hot Little Biscuits. They cook overnight. These are South Carolina grits from our favorite mill in Edisto. So follow along, 4 simple ingredients. We've got some Hickory Hill milk, water, butter, local grits, salt. And we're just going to turn our cooker on low, and I'm just buttering the sides, mainly because I want it to be easier to clean when I'm all finished. But that's about as much as I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna toss in the grits and the water. It's about 10 cups. This recipe is in my cookbook. Make sure you save this recipe. I love to do this for a big crowd. This originally started on Christmas Eve. I always make this on Christmas morning, but really it's just such a great thing to do ahead. I always save to do the milk, 1 cup of milk in the morning to just kind of thicken it up and bring it all together. A little bit more salt. And I just stir it to get everything off the bottom, put it on low, and go to bed. All right, I'm getting my day started and I'm checking on my grits. I put them on warm last night around 7 o'clock and they look perfectly creamy and delicious. And I'm just gonna finish them with a little bit of whole milk. You could also use cream, you could stick with water, stock, whatever. But this is just gonna finish them a little bit, and I'm gonna add just a touch of butter. But I can keep these on warm or simmer all day. So let's taste and see. I can look at them and tell they are gonna be perfect, but you gotta taste for salt and pepper. So good. Just a little bit of salt. And this is a lot of grits, but I always like to have leftovers so that we can make other things. Obviously, grits are available widely in the South, but if you can't find them, we have fabulous grits on our website at calliesbiscuits.com.